Good morning, Wildcats. Today's announcements. Just want to ask you about who your hero might be. Could be somebody very famous, an athlete, a movie star, maybe somebody in politics, right? Or maybe your hero is somebody that isn't famous at all. Maybe it's one of our everyday heroes, somebody that just does their best every day to do their best, adding value everywhere they go. Well, there's a writer, best known for this poem, The House by the Side of the Road. His name is Sam Walter Foss. And he said, "In the average man is curled the hero stuff that rules the world." Now you can substitute woman in here too. So in the average man and woman is curled the hero stuff that rules the world. So today, Wildcats, think about the person or the people in your life that are your heroes. The everyday people that make a difference, that add value. And remember what Foss said, it's the everyday heroes that rule the world. Since it's Teacher Appreciation Week, show some gratitude. Reach out to your teacher heroes. That, Wildcats, would be a great way for you to add value. Have a great day, everyone. Stay well.